Solar energy is great, but the sun doesn't shine at night or on cloudy days. Without a proper battery, solar energy isn't very useful. In this video, I'm going to talk about a seasonal thermal energy battery that can take the solar heat from the summer, store it, and then use it in the winter. SimpleTech, technology, agriculture, and energy videos. Hitting the subscribe button tells YouTube these are the kind of videos you want to see more of. Click the subscribe button now. You wouldn't think dirt could store thermal energy for months, but Drake Landing, a solar community in Alberta, Canada, proved it possible and has been providing all the heat necessary for over 50 homes for years now. Check out the link in my description to Drake Landing to see how they did it. There's many greenhouses in use today that use a thermal battery. Most are passive systems, and by passive I mean they don't add outside heat, just use the heat from within the greenhouse to heat up the ground for later use. LDS Prepper, Citrus in the Snow, The Urban Gardener, and Bright Agritech are just a few YouTubers that have videos online about their GeoAir thermal mass greenhouses. These work great, but passive air systems can't store any more heat than what's put in. 30 degrees Celsius or about 80 degrees Fahrenheit would be the maximum they can charge the thermal battery to. An activated evacuated solar tube array using a liquid to inject the heat into the thermal battery could heat the ground up to as much as 80 degrees Celsius, and a radiant heat concrete floor can deliver the heat back into the greenhouse on a thermostat. This is the solution to heating a solar greenhouse with plus 15 degree temperatures in minus 30 degree Canadian winters. Thank you for watching. If you agree or disagree with this idea, please post your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit subscribe to get YouTube to suggest more videos like this on technology, agriculture, and energy.